Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. I am super excited. I got my shipment from Stephanie's Favorite Things from the Happy Planner, and it's time to open it up and show you what I got. And after this video, I'm gonna also do an unboxing of all of the sale items I purchased from them, so stay tuned. So in the Stephanie's Favorite Things, I ended up getting the white punch. Let me move this box out of the way and show you everything that's in there. So I ended up getting the book, Plan a Happy Life. It's by Stephanie Fleming. Her planner and 2 sticker books from her. I did end up getting Going Places because it was on sale, and I love Rung Rung, and the keychain. So those are all the items I ended up getting from the Stephanie's Favorite Things. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a flip through of all of these so you guys know what you're looking at. So the white punch is really something that I wanted. The pink one doesn't really match the decor of my office. My office has white furniture, so this just goes perfectly into it. The punch does have Stephanie's kind of signature, or whatever you might call it. It says, "The Happy Planner, Plan a Happy Life, Little Heart and Stephanie." I really like it. And it has all of the lines indicating the sizes of the planners. This is the Rung Rung sticker book. You guys have seen many flip throughs of that, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. This is the mini, and then this is 2 of the sticker books. So let me open up the keychain and show you that. It's a tiny little heart. It comes with a ring, and it comes with a claw and then a little disc. So that's pretty awesome. The book that I got is signed. It comes on a sticker. It's beautiful. So it is actually her signature. It's awesome. And then the book itself, and it's such a awesome size where I can slip it into my purse and read it on breaks at work or whatever, and I think it's awesome. And then the planner itself is beautiful, so let me show you that. So the picture in front, it changed. It's just Stephanie, then you have the overview, and then you have a perpetual calendar. So let's go back. So this is the perpetual calendar. The yearly overview, it's 2 years, and it's very clean. And then all of her dividers actually correlate with the book. This is what the monthly looks like. This is what the weekly looks like. Finally, we have a clean planner where it's a clean canvas with just simple lines. And those are the dividers. So March, it's a little heart. April is plan, goal, plan, evaluate, repeat. May is celebrate the simple things in life. June is balance and boundaries, kind of equals happiness. July is you are entirely up to you, which is 100% true. August is purpose, planning, positivity, and persistence. That's the cover of the book. Define your passion, nature your creativity, and take hold of your dreams. It's a little heart. And December is like this really funky design that I like. And then you have a note page, and that's it. That's what that planner looks like. It is very beautiful. It starts in January. I am for sure going to be using it. Like I said, it does make complete sense for me to use this since I enjoy the emptiness so much. And this is the book. This is the goal book. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's very colorful, and I think very focused. And these are the clear sheets of stickers. Awesome. And we have some boxes with quotes, which is always good. And then some habit trackers. Another clean sheet of stickers, which is amazing. I think this is what correlates to her book, but we shall see. Then we have a wellness warrior, and then there's a whole bunch of icons, which I really like. And these are colorful icons, so it's a little bit different. I broke up with my perfection. It's cute. More boxes, more habit trackers. And then I think this again corresponds to the book, which is plan, evaluate, goal. And then they'll be on repeat. These boxes we have seen before. These are from Digital Detox, I believe. I really like that one. And then you have a couple that you can make yourself. And then we have bigger boxes. This is a black and white version of the book cover, and then the end I really like. This is different. We've never seen stickers like this before. And then this reminds me of Planner Babe with the underline one. This is beautiful. I really like this writing. And more clear stickers. So that's what this Happy Goals looks like, or the title. Yeah, the title is Happy Goals. And then this is the Live Creatively sticker book, and it does have quite a few boxes, which doesn't surprise me because again, from what I remember, Stephanie's one of her favorite books is the original colorful boxes. So we have few decorative pieces here and there, and then again the underlined things and more boxes, which I will never complain about boxes because I use those quite a bit, as you guys know. And then they're divided into colors, it looks like, which helps a lot too. I really like that. So there's a combination of the original and the colorful boxes too, and there from what I see. And then a few quotes here and there. This is great. It truly is. It's a beautiful book and it's super functional. And if you take this, you have headers and boxes and decorative pieces. So you just truly need one book. And on the go, and you would be able to make a full spread, which is awesome. I really like that, where the bottom is kind of plain. And then we have more habit trackers. And some awards, and that's the second book, which is awesome. So this is all I ended up getting. I think it's amazing and beautiful, and I'm very fortunate to be able to get that. So here it goes. And then I ordered some stickers from their sale, and those came in as well. So let me show you what those look like. So I ended up getting some sticker sheets and some minis, so I'll show you. So I think that from what I believe, the Rang tiny sticker pad was $3.99 from what I remember, or $2.99, I'm not sure. But it was on sale, and I don't have this one, and I really love it. I love Rang, as you guys know. I plan with it quite often. And then this is called Meal Prep, I believe. And it's Happy Planner sticker sheets. It comes with 5 sheets of stickers, and it does come with a side punch so you can slip it into your planner. So this is great. I am going to be using this for a wellness planner, which I think is awesome. It comes with like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some decorative pieces as far as meal goes. and some quotes like Bon Appetit. So I did end up getting 2 of those, and those were $2.99 a piece, which is a steal. I think this is called Happy Life, and these were $4.99 a piece, but I really like them. They're full of quotes, and they have a lot of clear quotes in here too, so I ended up getting 2 of those as well. I think they're great on the go if you need some quotes. And those flowers, like I said, I love it. Rang Fitness was $3.99 for this journaling stickers, and I really like them as well. I use journaling stickers once in a while, and it's good to have them, especially for that price. And that girl looks like Jessica from Live Love Posh. I know she did a recreation, and that was really cute. The tiny recipe was $2.99. Again, a steal. They're usually much more expensive. This little book is great for adding stuff to the recipes, and it has so many decorative pieces that I really like it. And then last but not least is the mega sticker book that was only available at Walmart. I did not get this. This was the only mega book I didn't have. So when this went on sale for $11.99, I ended up getting it. It's 60 sheets. There's some old repeats that I really like the OG. There's these, which is from the memory planning. There's bullet points. There's those big stickers for journaling. There's some birthday. I think these are from Color Story, and there's boxes. I will always take boxes. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with boxes. Look at these holographic ones, and you get 2 pages of every single sticker. And then these are different. I've never seen these before. And then we have stars for icons, which is good too. And little food like fries and stuff, and donuts and ice cream. And then we have rainbow, which I don't know if I'm gonna use, and the unicorn and mermaids. So I'm not planning on using those anytime soon. But then look at these planners and plans and checklists. I think those things are truly amazing and so versatile. And I really love this sheet as well. So I'm gonna get quite a bit of use from this, and I can't wait to start. And then there's alphabets in the back, which is always helpful. And then this sheet of quotes. I hope you enjoyed those flip throughs and unboxings. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite. I can't wait to use Stephanie's favorite planner. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Have a great week. Bye.